What's up you guys, this is your friend Glam Girl Megha. Today I'm here with you again sharing a haul with you, and this time it is Flipkart. I've got some tops and t-shirts from them, and everything is under 400. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to share the t-shirts that I've ordered from them. There are 2 t-shirts and 2 tops, 4 things that I bought from them, and everything is under 400. So let me first start with the t-shirt. This is the t-shirt that I bought. You must have seen me wearing this t-shirt in my street shopping haul video, and it says Babe. I really like the color. I was not sure about this, but my husband wanted me to get this t-shirt, and I'll show you how does it look after wearing it. So let's see. And this is in the size, and I must tell you that when you shop from Flipkart, the sizes are not appropriate. So you will, if you are XL, if I'm XL, I'll have to shop 2 more sizes bigger. So that is the problem with Flipkart. So I usually wear XL, but this I bought 3XL, and then it fits me, because first I have ordered XL and it was too tight for me. Then I ordered double XL, it was too tight for me. Then I ordered triple XL. Now it fits me. So this is the t-shirt. I'll just wear it and show it to you. And this is for 350 only. The material is cotton. I really love the color. Do let me know what will be your favorite t-shirt in the comment. So let me try this for you. This is the first t-shirt that I've ordered from him. I'm going to mention the actual price and the price for what I've bought. However, I remember I only paid under 400 rupees. So this is how it looks. Do let me know how does it look. This is the first time I'm wearing bright colors, because otherwise I'm usually a girl of black and white. Black will be the most, the most used color by me, or white, or otherwise blue. But this time I thought I really need to, change my colors and change the taste. So that's the reason I'm trying new things. Do let me know. So next one is this t-shirt. This is also again the tie and dye kind of a t-shirt. However, it's in a big sleeve, long sleeve, and just return smile. I found it very cute. That's the reason I ordered it. Also, it has got a crisscross detail. Again, it was on offer. I paid only 350 rupees. I'll just show it to you. How does it look? The second t-shirt that I ordered, it got a crisscross detail. Also, it has written smile. I really love the color, and never wore pink in my life. This is the first time that I'm wearing. This is again for 350 rupees. Now I'm going to show you the third one. Next is this top that I bought. This is an off-shoulder top with a tie on this, and it's obviously in black color, something I have to get in black color. And I'll just wear it and show it to you. Let's see how does it. This is the third top. It's an off-shoulder top. The best thing about this is it has got a very sturdy elastic. What's wrong with me? Elastic. Very sturdy elastic, so you should not be afraid that it will come down or something, it will go up. No, even if I'm raising my hand, it's not coming up. And the best thing is it has got this ties. So this is the top, and again guys, this is only for 350 rupees. I'll show you the next one. This is again in the similar pattern, however it's again off shoulder with a bell sleeve. I really like this magenta purple kind of a color. I'll just wear it and I'll show it to you. So this is the fourth top. It has got bell sleeves, and it's off shoulder again. Again, the elastic is really good, and again at the bottom also it has an elastic, if you can see. So it's going to stay at one place. This is again for 350 rupees. So guys, that's all for the video. This were the 4 things that I ordered from Flipkart. I'm going to leave everything on the screen, including what was the actual price and how much I paid for it. So hope you like this video, and do comment below and let me know which one was your favorite, and do give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.